You are learning Hebrew, you know Hebrew words, you can read Hebrew sentences. But when you speak, something feels off. Israelis understand you, but they instantly hear you are not native. It's not your vocabulary, it's not your grammar, it's your pronunciation. More specifically, your word stress. And if you are only learning from apps or books, this is the mistakes almost nobody corrects. Today, I will show you why it matters and how to fix it. Shalom, I'm Sasson, a native Israeli, and this is Hebrew with Sass, where you learn Hebrew the way Israelis really speak. Today, we're talking about one small detail that makes a huge difference, the rhythm of Hebrew, because pronunciation in Hebrew isn't just about letters, it's about rhythm, and if you miss the stress, you miss the music of the language. Every Hebrew word has one part that is stronger, one syllable that carries more energy. Let's use a very simple word, shulchan. Shulchan. Say it normally, shulchan. Now say it like you're calling someone from far away. Shulchan. The part that stretches naturally, that's the stress syllable. Every Hebrew word has that. But here is the problem. Hebrew writing doesn't clearly show you where that stress goes. So if you are only reading, you are guessing. Sometimes stress just affects how natural you sound. But sometimes it changes the meaning. Look at this. Boker, boker. Same letters, different stress, different meaning. Or this. Orez, orez. Same spelling, different meaning depending on the stress. Stress isn't decoration, it's part of the word. Apps train recognition. You see a word, you match meaning, you move on. But stress is not visual, it's physical. It lives in sound. If you never train your ear to hear it, you won't notice when you are placing it wrong. And if no one hears you speak, no one corrects you. So the mistake becomes automatic, and you're building the wrong habit. If you want to fix this, you need 3 things. 1. Listen actively. Don't just understand the meaning. Listen to where Israelis put energy in the word. Where does the voice land? Train your ear. Number 2. Speak out loud, not in your head. Not quietly, out loud. Your mouth needs to practice Hebrew rhythm. And 3. Get corrected. This is the game changer. If nobody corrects your stress, you will repeat the same pattern for years. One small correction early saves you months later. When your stress is correct, your Hebrew flows. You must train your ear, your mouth, and your rhythm. Because Hebrew isn't just vocabulary, it's music. And once you feel the rhythm, you stop sounding foreign. You start sounding natural. That's the difference between studying Hebrew and living in Hebrew. Let's train your ear quickly. Say machshev, machshev. Now exaggerate it. Machshev. Feel where the voice lands. From now on, when you learn new word, ask yourself not just what does it mean, but where is the stress? That one question will upgrade your Hebrew immediately. Tell me in the comments, do you mostly practice reading or do you actually practice speaking out loud? And if you want to speak Hebrew the way Israelis really speak, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons. Until the next time, yalla bye.